Aim Smart, your review authority. Ang tanong,
kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo. Para ipaliwanag ang kasagutan sa ating tanong, naririto na po ang ating abang lingkod, ang ating Justice Buddy, Attorney Jeffrey Bahita.
isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Aim Smart, your review authority.
Under Republic Act number 11131, this was approved on November 8, 2018, particularly with respect to the definition of terms. In its letter E, criminology is defined as the scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victims. It also deals with the prevention and solution of crimes. With this definition, it is just correct that most of the Filipinos view criminology education as a training ground for those who would like to become members of the Philippine National Police, because criminology refers to the study of crimes and criminals. However, as I said earlier, criminology is not only limited to become members of the Philippine National Police, because this is an entire body of knowledge regarding crimes and criminals as a social phenomenon. Later on, we will discuss point by point what are the different opportunities or privileges of graduates of criminology education.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
The next question is, what are the challenges of registered criminologists? Basically, the following are the challenges. 1. Non-recognition of the privileges provided under RA 11131 and its higher art. Considering that the law is just new, this was just approved in 2018, there are still some government agencies that are not really aware about the new law, RA 11131. That's why some of our graduates who are registered criminologists already, when they applied for job on those positions in the government that we enumerated earlier, there are some government agencies that still do not recognize the privileges, which are exemption from taking any entrance or qualifying government exam, and or preference or priority in the appointment in the government service when it comes to police, jail, fire, IDEA, NBI, and other law enforcement agencies. However, there is a good news that little by little or gradually, our government agencies are now being aware about the provisions of our law when it comes to the privileges of registered criminologists.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
And the second challenge is the bill in the Congress allowing K-12 graduates to qualify for the PNP service.
Oh no!
Why? Because the new law provides for the privileges of registered criminologists. Remember the operative terms? Priority and preference. Priority and preference, which are only proper. This is really right and proper to those who are registered criminologists. We studied criminology for 4 years, reviewed for the licensure exam, passed the licensure examination, and we should be given privilege regarding that. And if we will allow the graduates of K-12, those who are just high school graduates, to qualify for the PNP service, then what will happen to those 1,000 registered criminologists in the country that are not yet members or officers of our PNP, BJMP, BFP, and other law enforcement agencies. And if you remember our lessons about Republic Act 6975 as amended by Republic Act 8551, this law professionalized our Philippine National Police as well as the other law enforcement agencies in the country by requiring that those applicants must be graduate of a 4-year degree course. So again, the challenges in our profession are non-recognition of the privileges provided under RA 11131 and its implementing rules and regulations, and the bill allowing K-12 graduates to qualify for the PNP service.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Another question from our subscriber, Fredimar Havelian. Does the Philippines have partnership with other countries when it comes to the criminology profession? The answer to that is yes. We have Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines. This is a national association of all registered criminologists in the country, our PCAP. The PCAP is the one that partners with the neighboring countries, with the different international organizations of criminologists. And these are the following. We have Asian Criminological Society, and the International Society of Criminology. Practically, our PCAP is very instrumental in forging partnership with these international organizations. In fact, last 2019, our PCAP was the host of the annual Asian Criminological Society.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo.